In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable clipboard history on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel here, you want to select system. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select where it says clipboard. And then up at the top, clipboard history, toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.